I have been reflecting on my journey, my political journey, and talking to my friends and my supporters and looking at the current political situation. And I have come to a conclusion that at this point in time, the best strategic decision I can make is not to go and run for governor of Meru. So in other words, I'm saying I will not be running for the position of governor of Meru in the coming elections. I want to use my resources and my energy and my time to continue serving the farming community in this ministry for the balance of the time of President Uhuru Kenyatta. I've been traveling across the country and farmers have been asking me questions. If you leave now, what happens to some of the reforms that are still at the nascent stage? I have been asked those questions in everywhere I've been going, and it's one of the issues that has been I've been agonizing over. Looking at that, and also looking at the political situation and looking into the future, I have made a strategic decision that I will not be running for Governor of Meru. I'll play a role at the national level. I'll build the party, PNU, which we are already building, and we've been working and recruiting candidates. I'll make sure that party continues growing, and we want to strengthen the relationship between PNU and Jubilee as we craft a working relationship in Azimio. So I want to put my energies and my time in supporting Azimio movement so that we can be able to win the coming election. So basically that's it. I am not running, but I work with the people of Meru very closely. My supporters are very many of them. I'm sure you are aware, to evaluate the candidates who are running and decide which one we will support for the position of governor and other positions that will be vied for at the county level. Obviously, we will be supporting a candidate who will make a difference in the development of Meru County, and also a candidate who will work within Azimio, because I am a member of Azimio, and I believe Azimio, led by Raila Amolo Odinga, in partnership with President Uhuru Kenyatta, will make a very good government for Kenya, to take Kenya to the next level. So I want to play a role in building that movement, and I will shepherd my party PNU to be part and parcel of that success. Thank you very much.